click video yi so because what is the IRCC, Canada Immigration, omo the new policy be and our law be aba ebe take effect nyankopon ya adoma 2024 January ya ebe. Na this law yi specifically no a call for omo apply for student visa. Bia na we student e wo hanum so person wo kotoa wa disua so e wo Canada o Ghana sesia. Bia application wunim kra say okay e be effect me and infect me and ye ba besua sa neoma ni nyina. Na enkrofo bebre na atetete nsem ebi ka say ebi so akwa read article no but omu read e na ayem wonwona omo ntiase and inti send you who say Kooturu Global de bia no you be breaking it down in 7 slides per 7 no worse men confused so me man na so simple ama by the time I will be free hanum say no okokra no be busa say what are the new changes bana you will know exactly what to tell them. They say and ampa ye be no ma me share me screen no hanum say send you see no 7 important updates and I mean ma breaking it down me pese be na nya afi na me be article no amonu ebesha in the year 2024 the 1st January. Now ome release some of these updates no abani. In fact it's not to say omum pesa obebe kromonum but for student visa applicant na nkasa benefit omo be kromonum ababe to oma disua so no it's for their benefit. Inti bebre na wo hono ma omu hu ye no say oh Canada for say ade omum pese ye beba kromonum. No, you have to know say Canada the 4th country when it comes to international student. Omuna edimu hinepa. They don't want to lose that rank. They want to even top it up. It is some of these updates, you know, or the students now obano the experience ubenya ewo kromonum tinu yanko mashesha these updates no by its importance. And into the first one will be the most important to you, especially when you start your application. And I say, I feel I will prepare or gather our documents. It's very, very important. It should be important to you. And you know, the first one increase cost of living. When you say first, no, so Canada, your application now. They request to say, Obi biara obey application no mame emfa me pen no wa hanum say ni nsuade obi biara obey an application no so or at least for accommodation any living in Canada for 1 year no so or 10,000 Canadian dollars. This 10,000 Canadian dollars papa it has been a requirement for a very long time. Actually all the way back in the early 2000s and a higher requirement and into no Ubebusa say adentina 10 is early 2000s no and almost started this 10,000 requirement that year for 2023 almost sanida omwankasa adwene who said no omuntimi use this 10,000 way for say oba ombe require say oba what 10,000 Canadian dollars for bank omuntimi use no in the year 2023 and moving forward anymore. Why? Because if we assess and nyoma kosro one car COVID year betray mu ya utimusa nyoma kosro pa and into no imagine when who says since I answer no say ye accustomed to nya area echo and into no mom make these changes bebre na say oh oma make these changes because person reduce visa no they want to create a best experience me juma ma Canada me immigration officer but Ushemwa, ready now we have research now we share article now. They just want the best for the students that are coming. Why? Because students be brave or honoma or move through Canada area, they find out that 10,000 now Canada force you ube here for accommodation. And na because mobile no and you are expensive. We share will rent no be calculating in a year now. Be that 10,000 in Canada for some scoring system be or mutimi edi who say okay. For minimum living, no, ube here say in a year in Canada, omudin ede, the low ede, and yes, omudin omunyenipa, a system be omu use to score, which is called the low income cut off, which is the LICO. Now, this LICO, no, and no omudin who's okay over Canada in a year, no, for accommodation, over spending around this much. Almost say, omu person go by that standard. Into moving forward, TME moving forward. And yet this year, pen on be increase this 20,635. First, no na 10,000. Sisiano almost starting January 1st. Okay, starting January 1st, 2024. Oma increase that 10,000 now 20,635 Canadian dollars. Meaning say as a single applicant for a first year. Ubetna Canada Chrome. Udi ye bia o Canada Chrome here at least 20,635 Canadian dollars. Additional with your first year tuition and traveling cost. Okay. And tishanin suye say apply student visa na. Normally a ban of financial record and I say a ban of financial support how the best support to application na personal. Now, omoje 10,000. Say at least you should have 10,000 plus or tuition plus or traveling cost. And I say ube prove. Sisi anenya 10,000 biom. 20,635 Canadian dollars plus or first year tuition plus or traveling cost. And intino make sure sa washe and also. But when they say from ahanum say air kono from next year air kono. When they say Canada for a better update, or mobe started update this sika way according to almost score no use no first no my jaya tuma for a very long time I use 10,000 na che basisiano almost your money sebium every at least every year biano so omo check your policy no mbe check say what is the standard living as over Canada for a year no overspend it. Omunya da amount na eno enebeye omo requirement for all student visa. Now, I said, what is this for? Number 2 no, it's for students na nkasa well-being. See misika and student be braina omudru Canada ria no mu say that 10,000 omo kind is swa. Enti no mu hu ne say emma student no a wrong perception. Enunti ena omo make this movie. Enye boapayo enye se bia omo mpesa mbema nkrofo vesantia. No. It's for the well-being of the student. Canada for almost a record of being the 4th country a bano international student and they want to keep that record. They want to better themselves. Obi anyone ma or person ebia okra rank ebia or person holding up to the standard. Holding up to that standard. And that's what mama updated data. That updated data and no na the low income cutoff no. That scoring system now from next year going on, be used to make this judgment. Yeah, a 100 say which is the 20,630. It is that 20,000 way and yes, surprise. Say even say in the next 2 years to come, no, a double and yes, surprise. If we are say no, this number will increase. First update in the next 20 in the next year 2024 no, I say Oma wahadwene. Ebaso. Now, yemra ahanum say na yenko the second update. So the second update no and I'm kind article na yetentente but you're taking in bullet points slide by slide. Me say be church mu say na be ya obeti as Kooturu Global say you say no. And into the second one assist underrepresented international students. What does that mean? I mean breaking it down now. Who say ebanu schools na for apply for a ban no say international student I apply for no omuhu ne say schools no started boa international students no it will create program any frameworks are omode ba be boa student omode ba be pushi educational institutions no schools na Canada no na wo metimi aboa student with sanyo ya meba be bubosi ma memfa me highlight and wa hanum say nko into the bit to say academic support. Imagine say wakokru developed country to say Canada ufri Ghana no waba Canada unim say Ghana even how a Ghana education system anyhow you see a score education system no how you see score students in any Canada the ense it will be honoma be free Ghana aba Canada no ubon se na o feli poto but you say bia wabon you say bia onya de but and just the changes of the system no and a man ban side no Canada for person mu push that agenda and say schools ne more na a ban academic supporter a ban say student in free international countries no e bana omo be ma wo mu a good supporting system a ebeboa omo with the academic support and a career services as well and omo be build it systems, or mobile build this support team, or mobile boa students when it comes to career services, and you maybe to say mental health support. Someone say, yen you kroma, you free bagana, you free any my dear friend of mental health cry. And one so within Kwasiasema, within Kwasiasem Pacheme, right? But a bunch of developed countries such as Canada and the US, these European countries, a ban mental supporter or more for home parent. You know, schools no equity systems are a student with mental support and a social and cultural integrations, right? Obia if ni kromu ba ne system unko, the society how omusi living enko, right? Omu pese omu push schools no ma omu boa student na eba no. Sene beya omu beye accustomed to the Canada system, right? Legal and immigration assistance. Omu pese omu se push school no ma omu te student a free in so ban Canada legal system no. As until these are all the new policies. So until obi one more read assist underrepresented international students. I say, okanya on tias and me breaking it down what they are trying to have the schools do no. And I'm breaking down the financial advice. A quite based on a student bar financial no advice or punto no across rebate housing support student be bar housing support to say a big even is in the next slider because so and a healthcare navigation any pampu mudin a ban of healthcare what are the a friend is say colleges any universities no year for the student when you know say I didn't know push this agenda send me see before no the ukuta rank be it will reassess say when I the fourth best country are or supporting international students. You don't want to lose that. They want to even be the first. They don't want to lose that rank. And into a new maybe a bet to honum not on mashe ama edi susania beya Canada beya attractive to international students no and no and on day or mobile. Now for young clean the next slide and saying in the third important thing a housing. Housing ya be a big momo pa. See even this year 2023 Canada enya a huge increase most student visa applications. Now one of the biggest problem about this year omo housing system omo who say house no housing now students na be na drew hanum say omo bre they have the data they see the data of student international students or mobile almost struggle near the other so schools no start here they boa womo person create system ni frameworks are a bema institutions no ayede aboa student now mobile with housing student be one more to me now offer letter nya visa nanso onim how to go about baby cra or betna omuhu ne sesanka schools ni timi boa a baby be you good pantino from starting from next year no mumma expect as consultant no BBR or year research our person expect said there's going to be a lot of changes in these schools institution no helping out the students a lot because the government no and enforce it almost okay now before I ever call the next slide so making sure say over subscribe to Kooturu Global your YouTube channel so show you from Facebook so over like your page send you the update be about one sa can be where you breakdown of the new changes are about a student visa IRCC phone really see yeah actually and you may the link to this specific changes from the official website the IRCC website may link in the wall this video description no as in no person will verify and you may make na so one kasa person will go into details I'm breaking it down but person will go into details you can click on it additional to that no Mr. Kooturu Global your community e wo hodoma obejoin ya sa na ma we nyina no anka okay community no a obetiane se video na betom no akɔhwɛ, right? Be anyone ma ebefa was into person be join Kooturu Global community na o check video no description national boom say ya trust say join Kooturu Global community no WhatsApp WhatsApp group o join ya yen kasa ye share valuable information said ye mede e ma wa into make sure so be subscribe to the YouTube channel now wa click wa dom na so na be ya ye release video bia on sabeka yen the next one so potential visa limitations we nkrofo bebre hu a na e omu hu say you see at Canada 4% reduce on visa no send a beya omu send for a backroom on palmon person be me abahonum. No, it's not about say omum pese omu ebe ma ya backroom honum bio. TMA pa. So we shemia. The reason why ya make these changes because omu said number one, there has been an increase of students eba bebre. Institutions of one so no. Akra margin me based on how our Canada for AC put these measures in place, they are money driven. What does that mean? Omuma so much applications man be brave but they don't know how to handle them because all their share previous policies no masesano. Oh, omo person omo ye BB for the institution to enforce policies or supporting international. That means the institutions what Canada government have observed and say omon shut down support students and senior warm esi penono and omen who say it's as a result of say a be students for not doso schools and so it is an beba the any ye be reduce student no ama schools for ni na senior be ya quality is better than quantity say you reduce na munya less people are you will have enough staff. You will have enough support system to support any packet where be or mobile so that you will have quality over quantity. Okay, but bebrinatia must Canada 4% the reasons are the mine and on dig in. Now we have more research online. Now we have the intention behind all these new policies. Yeah, you will find out said that is exactly what they are trying to do because Omen who say institutions, you understand for here supporting system all these students here ebe ina omo betimi akita for mu nti for now no be reduce send be ya so no will catch up as say omo hu ni say schools no are not catching up so omo reduce visas na omo eye dey ma no send be ya schools no ebe catch up, right? And that is the next one or check here on new updates for student visa now. Then call the next one. So extension of 20 hours per week. Now this one is huge. Why wouldn't him say oh Canada dada and as and I will share me and I say we to Canada on I feel now we start the process now. Yeah, what it and now what is so be say Canada there would do on we student you can only work 20 hours per week. Dan sheshe no sisiano or maybe that limitation free ho. And because omen who say student number one, this is the reason why ama or my ISR mean my get a deep researcher. I want because me read this animal with I wanted to know the reason why omo animal. It's the first one on the list, and it say omo pesa omoma out of flexibility when it comes to their finances because bibrina ebe kromonoma mon so omo de omani to edwuma so. What I say and for them to meet up with their financial a friend is say go na isi omani so na eso omo ye edwuma. What I say omo biem send e be adofo betimi aye edwuma number one and at the same time so work experience another thing huge for them because at the end of the day omo who say adofo bebre na eba no who tie me adofo bebre na eba no eba because omo who say at the end of the day omo ma so omo say go back to omo country omo ba for a permanent stay and in tie any yembiem na omo start no omo starting year juma because so almost 30 year edwuma ntema omo benya experience emma acquire to say nipa na nya ne permanent residence so ni experience bia ne tie starting more munya edwuma so omo person mo ye 40 hours so omo person mo ye more than that ye more munye but obviously omo nim say omo biem kra na you won't be able to do more because say if you are going to school there's no way obey more unless it's say, you know, that different genetics they are. Obi on more hard working, but the books no so they are their own feeling. Obe working hard, obe say idea so right. You know, omu open for that specific reason. You know, starting in the year 2024 January, that tap na no mo dia ato so say student for ebe work 20 hours per week, you know, and yes, it's gonna be more than that. You work more than 20 hours. That be brain I said, ultimately work it till saying or man shut down set maximum BR for it or medjayatum first normal panelize like normal or train was so we cut more than 20 hours now but see no almost see ye gym free yeah ye gym ye doing free so what you mean yeah right and you know until April 30th 2024 and it be a mobesa I check it the result of and yeah if we mobile so the next one a postgraduate work permit. Postgraduate work permit no. Now this one no bibi a koso dada omo ye dada but omo pese omo kire say still na no mbe koso aye all the way to 2024. The reason why they say omo ka senka January eba no omahwe say omo be keep na so omo cancel no say ye what time bia omo sesa omo policies no. The cycle ya omo duru say no omo decide say omo be keep na omo ebeto aso. Edien on beki piano on beto aso mami chiro mu ansakra na akọ. COVID time eba no. The postgraduate work permit you need some amount of time so uwo school months and ube qualify for that postgraduate work permit which is 8 months and above. And into that 8 months na COVID time by na fe nkrofo enhye da nko campus bi no mo ye online courses. No wo muni any policy bi say so your online course are accounted as that hours na and as that days na would they qualify would they eligible for the postgraduate work permit. During COVID no mo make that policy and say no say we student na o ye o classes online on campus utimi count those days na yeah courses online as part of the amount of days are we here to qualify for the postgraduate work permit. Now omu evaluate say be a COVID ni tremor and as a COVID no echo for my year free honum but omu dia ba 22 starting January 2024 says still now no omu continue with no which is continuation of online study time counting towards postgraduate work permit for students starting before September 1st, 2024. And intino, and no entry moon. And intino, we crano and shada yet relate to Kusisiano COVID nation and Nihonumbium and Crophobia abba back to campus. But Omuhuni say yes, some people are still doing online courses near the day. They are considering those people. Right now, young additional 18 months postgraduate work permit. Now, I say that's all who qualify for postgraduate work permit. It be a school now why apply for and that's a school now. Or she be apply for no or more Emma postgraduate work permit. And say Benny. Normally, we not postgraduate work permit. Yeah, what time our more amount Emma would yet that eduma ye postgraduate work permit. You knew na so hanum say wouldn't what postgraduate work permit is that a work permit PGWP. Okay, what it does and they say Emma wakwenya Emma in your school be maybe but school be honoma or mumma that postgraduate work permit. Send your bay ubit me a year juma after ubi real school or mujidi say waku school within some field that is wunyansa no adwuma e wo that field me country bia na offer anything ma Canada school e so attractive because any country bia e na ye dey offer countries bebre na no uko school we is all back to chrome sa na mo pe no but Canada they will say uko school we ye be ma we be a friend of postgraduate work permit ama wo de akwa ye adwuma e wo field na besua ade e wo mu no. Now, we get that postgraduate work permit and also some time will be me qualify for permanent residence. which is enkrata ewo Canada krom. Na omo ye saa hyehyɛ we to honum. Omo se nkrofo bebre na omo ye postgraduate work permit na edu on because that permanent resident you pool. Esa wo apply na koto me wo man na select wa it is lottery. Saa pepepe net here. And into no bebre na wo honum omo apply em for omo na postgraduate work permit time na yede ma omo na wu. First no before this policy. First no na utimi sa apply extension. Timika say me postgraduate work permit na mo de ma mesre mo time aso I expire mo extending no 18 months ema me no nko mo de amount as you see Canada for so wo metwem starting January 1st year ebe. All right, omo discontinue that policy no until see o apply for postgraduate work permit na se wunya na se wo wie school no na afi school no ema postgraduate work permit na o qualify for it na wunya na set time no so expire o postgraduate work permit no expire untimi nko sa wo nsa ma 18 months bio. That is what it means. All right, aside from that in 18 months no untimi embusa o ma discontinue no starting nyankopon yarma January 2024. Okay, and into no one say obusa may apply for my permanent resident na ewu na omo frame me for that permanent resident no omo frame me for the process na the benya permanent resident na not just a day na eseme ye person will be question in me list ni o maybe wo hono ma obetimi aye. Number 1, obviously so wa hanum say obi wo hono ma otimi ye postgraduate work permit no now apply for a permanent resident be no qualify for it but no apply. The first thing on the list is obetimi apply for permanent resident. Okay, that's the first thing on the list. Say in case say be apply send be ya bia na ewo ma na ya fawo but obi wono ma na ya amfa no work permit no permanent residence no ya amfa no at the time na ebewu. What can you do? With me so ape a work permit because postgraduate work permit no wo ye adwuma bi ko pay adwuma omo ankasa adwuma na ankasa de be she omo de beto omo ho so na wo ma ye work permit amount e ba ne sana you are still in status so that e ba ne sana Canada honum still na wo grounds e wo ho wo papers a wo di stay krom honum ba wo so ma sa ne ma we nyina ewu no anya ho hwe a once you go out of status meaning say unni grounds e wo krom honum e ba ne sa ho be kire ba and what do you do? And the second thing I'll be to me and say be a dream be away and ubetimi ebusa wo management e adwuma ukoye adwuma bia na ne omo nkasa. So especially we student minim client ya boa wo mo a omo ye student and even before our postgraduate work permit ne ne omo e be drew that level no kran na adwuma na omo koye ye no of form because of omo modern bo se Ghana for ye ya de pa omo modern bo ntine adwuma no kra timi of form work permit. So tell see obi wonom so kra ne bia ne college na okọ no omo offer postgraduate work permit but okoye adwuma bia utimi busanti no ask questions e pan no se o ye adwuma a sa a lot of questions na omo enka de ye possible e ban adwuma ma obetimi anya work permit se ne be ya obi keep in status e wo honom. The third one and it's over to our disuniaso. The third one and it's over to our dis ohwe na se postgraduate work permit in wa permanent resident who's it two no yenye ohwe yenfre wa. These are advice I'm dey ma o ebia na obeko kromo save video we ya na obeko wunye do this level nti wo dey say o me dem found we ya dan obedru ho obi abedru ho bi. Okay, and you want to make sure say a banner say option 1 yeah wa apply yen file option 2 adwuma na wo ye no wunya adwuma bi on be work permit amawa option 3 and it say bon hu na yire wo hu e ko pe school foforo program foforo a omo be ma student visa a omo obe set me renew student visa no now what stay in status. That is the third option. That is the third option. Okay, the fourth option is there and shadanya option papa in case of person stay where the fourth option is we free Canada honum right but the share honum I want to give you the options that you have. Okay, now let's move on to the I mean, that was the last one. Actually, it was 7. And this was the last slide. And I hope say metimia breaking yoma down amount. But the article no so from the IRCC official website in the best one kasa obetimi read. Now I go you through, but now me pese me breaking down because enkrofo ko reading na they don't know exactly and yoma omo reading. Pese me breaking it down and ma pa ye. And aside from that, Kooturu Global and I wish Kooturu Global a consultancy a boa adofo bebre ama ometu kwai akọ especially Canada ban student visa a boa adofo bebre your mission and say in the next 5 years to come no ye boa nipa 20,000 mo ko incredible do makoma so really believe in this mission tina ye nia bre the information bia say the bro na we are successful no ye no obi wini a ye hu ne say yeso ye wini mission in ekwan a obefa so a betimi aboa ye na yeso yetimi aboa o number 1 and say obe subscribe to this YouTube channel share subscription button red con me patro click so mame because information ye pese de bro no we want you to be successful senye ye kra na ye boa as a consultant ye be ye salt as ye other services are ye one also pa Kooturu Global ye boa with the DV lottery visa ye boa do fu bebre more apply at the same time so mo we are processing the DV lottery no ye enioma bebre fankofo ani so to what I'm saying I say oh hwe me DV lottery to be in case o we save your number no with me contact ya me aboa okay US immigration dofu bi US or person be foul and I say or yen krata na so dofu no nte ase mo bo say obetimi ama nipa na contact ye na say one kasa obetimi contact ye with our number that ase hanum say na say aside from that no so no yeah no pay a banner traveling visa traveling visa B1 B2 a ban of visit visa to Canada a ban of student visa so wow for F1 visa to US so wow you bet take you through the whole process what your bra take your number no one of the things that I love about our process they say will be an NBA maybe your money per crofile assessment for especially a ban of Canada student visa over fairly assessment form near baby a wujina any kwanya you far you wow fill assessment form now you be a one-on-one meeting with you talk to you because what time we want to help you that is our whole mission okay and so one say open so near your number ne there say US number out me WhatsApp PA 774-946-5963 WhatsApp PA ya beje so na afi ni wo honum bia no get the amount aside from that ne there me da say bebre pass utimi click a video so wo share me say me see kan no me dey fifi click and subscribe to your YouTube channel no send be any update biaba concerning Canada concerning any of immigration support you want no bitimi e dey abroad that's bebre yankopon show